In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen Instagram photos once viewed. Whether you're revisiting memories or verifying details, Instagram photos play a critical role in our digital interactions. Understanding how to access these images again is essential. Let's start with the first scenario. If the image you want to revisit was a regular photo in a chat, don't worry. There's good news. You can reopen these anytime. To start, go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your device. Once you've launched the app, what you need to do next is find and tap on the Messages icon, which typically looks like a paper airplane in the top right corner. This will take you to your direct messages where all of your conversations are stored. Now, once you're in your messages, the next step is to locate the conversation or chat where the photo was originally shared. This might take a bit of scrolling if it's an older message, so take your time and find the right one. After you've tapped on the chat, scroll through the messages until you locate the photo you're interested in. Once you see the image, simply tap on it, and voila! The photo will open up for you to view once again. However, not all photos on Instagram can be revisited. If the photo was sent as a view once image, something Instagram allows its users to do for more ephemeral, temporary sharing purposes, this presents a different scenario. In the case where the photo was shared as a view once, unfortunately, you won't be able to reopen it at all. Instagram has designed these to disappear automatically once viewed, ensuring an extra layer of privacy and secrecy for the sender. It might feel a bit inconvenient, but there's really nothing you can click or do to access these view once photos after you've initially viewed them. Once they've vanished, Instagram commits to its policy of automatic deletion, so you'll need to be mindful of these types of images and make the most out of your single view. In summary, while regular photos in chats can be readily revisited at your leisure, view once photos are one-time sites, completely inaccessible after their initial viewing. This distinction is an important part of Instagram's design, balancing both usability and user privacy. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to handling both types of Instagram photo shares. Make sure to keep this information in mind the next time you check your Instagram messages, and you'll be well equipped to navigate these image types effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.